You don't gotta go to work, 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 work.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another cleaning video, but this one's in my new apartment. I did get some new cleaning products and I definitely wanted to feature them in this video. The first thing that I'm doing is collecting all the trash that is on top of the counter and anything that I see that needs to be put away on the counter, going ahead and doing that so it can be out of the way so I can go ahead and wash the dishes. I am putting up all the clean dishes that I did put in the dishwasher the night before. Next, I am using the hand soap and the dish soap of Honeysuckle by Myers. This one absolutely smells wonderful. Out of all the scents that I saw at Target, this was my favorite. I'm going ahead and filling up my pure water container so I can go ahead and clean the inside of the sink. Just using a plain green sponge and using the Basil Scent Everyday Cleanser by Myers also. Next, I am using the Lemon Scent by Myers Everyday Cleaner for the counters, just to make sure the kitchen smells really fresh and clean, and using a disinfectant wipe to make sure all the germs are no longer there. Going ahead and finish the rest of the counters off, including the stove, just making sure everything is taken off so I can make sure I can do a deep clean in this kitchen. Go ahead and clean the stove off with that same disinfectant wipe because I do have some cooked on food on there. These things are absolutely wonderful, especially if you have sick people in your household. I would definitely recommend this. And then I'm going to go ahead and take off the drip pans on the bottom of the stove. These are a little bit harder for me to remove since this was a new stove that we did end up getting. I do like to do this at least maybe once a week, twice a month, just because food does get put onto those and it makes it a little bit more harder to take off if you wait a little bit longer. It was pretty gross under there since I hadn't done it yet. And I went ahead and sprayed it on the front of the stove also, and the front of the microwave. Then I'm going ahead and washing out those drip pans with a regular green sponge and that honeysuckle dish soap. And using that same lemon scent spray, I'm cleaning off the front of the refrigerator. Then I am sweeping up any trash or food that might have fallen on top of the floor. Then went ahead and using the wet jet sweeper cleaner. I use this about once a week and definitely cleans up any of dirt or mud that might be on the floor. After I am done with that, I use the Method Squirt and Mop spray. You can get this at Target also. This is absolutely wonderful for wood.